if you struggle with imagining the sounds of space. Because today, we're bringing the universe to your ears. First off, space is a vacuum, which means there's no air, no medium for sound waves to travel through. So technically, space is silent. But what if it wasn't? Imagine the hum of stars, the whoosh of comets zipping by, or the eerie echo of a black hole. Sounds pretty wild, right? Now let's get real. While traditional sound can't travel in space, scientists have converted electromagnetic waves into sound. Ever heard the haunting melody of a planet or the whispers of solar winds? It's like the universe is singing to us. So, here's a thought. If you could hear space, what do you think it would sound like? Drop your wildest guesses in the comments below. And remember, the universe is full of wonders, some we can't even imagine. Keep exploring, and keep listening to the whispers of the cosmos.